SmartLink's DAP, Data Acquisition Platform. DAP Radar, Dynamic Lighting Sensor Installation Instructions. The toolless sensor unit attaches to the luminaire receptacle by aligning the pins and turning the unit to lock it in place. The locking ring can be loosened to position the motion sensor towards the required detection area. The directional arrows can focus the detection area to the far or near sidewalk as required. The marked arrows will guide the positioning of the detection area and can be adjusted in the future as detection needs change. Once positioned, the locking ring can be tightened until the arrow aligns with the seal verification indicator. Liveable cities, city safety sensors.